Have you heard about PLR? I mean private label rights. If you have not heard about PLR, I want to talk about it, and I believe you will have a very good understanding of how PLR work and what you can do with PLR and how people are making millions of dollars with PLR. The basic definitions of PLR is private label right, and what it means is that if you have a PLR content with you, you have 100% right to use it anyhow you want to use it. For example, this video you are watching now, I make it for my personal self, but if I give you PLR right over this video, it means you will be able to use this video without any legal implications or anything from anyone. So when you have access to a PLR content, what you do is you have the right to use that either to sell it or use it for your personal self. So what I want to do now is I'm gonna create a couple of videos that will give you more information about PLR and how you can use PLR to make money on the internet. But you ask, who is this particular opportunity for? This opportunity is for anyone who don't have anything to sell on the internet. Remember, making money requires selling a particular stuff on the internet. If you don't have anything you want to sell on the internet, then you'll be thinking you might not be able to make money on the internet. But that is not the truth. The truth is that even if you don't have anything to sell on the internet, you can make money online with the help of PLR content. And that is what I want to talk about. I want to be making series of videos that will guide you on how you can monetize PLR content and how you will have access to different kinds of PLR and how you will be able to use them to make money on the internet. Another thing you need to know about PLR is this: when you have access to PLR content, either graphics, training courses, videos, or whatsoever, when you have access to them, you have the source file and you'll be able to edit those particular content just to suit you and to suit your market. For example, if you want to sell PLR content to people who want to lose weight, when you have access to the PLR content, you will be able to edit those particular content to fit to your market. Whether you are selling to people in Europe, America, Africa, you can edit your PLR content to match your market and you'll be able to sell, and there will be no any legal implication from this. So in the next few videos, I'll be talking about different kind of PLR and where you can have access to this particular PLR content and how you can get them and package them and sell it to your audience and make more money on the internet. You can use some people's product and package it as your own product and sell it to people who are looking for it and make money very easily. I'll be creating more videos, and I believe by the time you watch every videos in this training course, you will master how to make money with PLR content. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and watch out for the next video where I'll be giving you more information about how you can go ahead and market PLR content on the internet. See you again, and bye for now.